Good morning, students. I am Dr. A.K.Jaithunbi, Associate Professor from the Department of Computer Science and Engineering, RMDEC. Today, let us discuss about credential stuffing and hacking. Okay, so what is a credential stuffing? It is a type of cyber attack where hackers use stolen usernames and passwords to gain unauthorized access to other online accounts. In other words, they steal a set of login details for one site and try on another site to see if it works there too. Okay, so credential stuffing is a cyber attack in which the attacker uses a list of credentials that are publicly available and then breaks into the system with various types of custom bots and other automation along with IP spoofing to prevent getting blocked. Working of the credential stuffing. Actually, as per the report, only a small fraction of attacks that are carried out result in successful account takeover. Now let us see the credential stuffing working. Generally, the attackers create automated tools like bots that fetch the credentials from the dictionary of leaked credentials during data breaches and attempt to parallelly log into accounts to get access to web application while spoofing the IP addresses. So they don't get blocked by the system because of multiple failed attempts. After the attacker breaks into the system, he intends to obtain personal information, credit card details, or other data that may be private to the user or an organization. Right? So here, what they mean actually is, as a user, it is our responsibility to take care of all the confidential data. Right? Next, credential stuffing versus brute force. How is credential stuffing different from brute force? Credential stuffing and brute force are a lot similar, but there are some minute difference. Usually during a brute force attack, the attacker tries to guess the credential with no prior context or information regarding the victim using random strings, everyday phrases, common passwords, or a list of commonly used passwords and tries various permutations of them. The attack is a success only and only if the victim has a weak, simple and guessable password. As the attacker has no prior information regarding the victim, the rate of success is pretty low in the brute force attack. Next, let us see about system hacking. So, system hacking is the process of exploiting vulnerabilities in the electronic system for the purpose of gaining unauthorized access to those systems. Hackers use a variety of techniques and methods to access electronic systems, including phishing, social engineering, and password guessing. We'll see these things in the next presentation also. Now, what is the purpose of system hacking? Generally, the motive of the hackers behind system hacking is gaining access to the personal data of the individual or sensitive information like our credit card details belonging to an organization in order to misuse the information and leak it, which may cause a negative image of the organization in the minds of the people. Privilege escalation, executing malicious application to constantly monitor the system. Now, Windows hacking. So, we saw now system hacking. Let us see now Windows hacking. Windows hacking is a process of exploiting a vulnerability in the Windows operating system to gain access to a computer or network. The attacker uses this knowledge to break into a target machine, steal sensitive information, or modify data on the victim's computers. It is often referred to as cracking when referring to breaking into computers or networks for malicious purpose. Windows hacking is a way to gain access to another person's computer. It is done by using tools like keyloggers and screen recorders, which are used for spying on someone else's device. These tools can be installed on the victim's machine without their knowledge or consent. Now, let us see what are the various Windows hacking tools. So, it is used to hack Windows-based operating system. They are mainly used by hackers and cyber criminals for the purpose of stealing sensitive information. These tools can be used to steal passwords, credit card details, banking information, other login credentials. Windows hacking are a set of software that can be used to hack into the Windows operating system. It is also called as Microsoft hacking tools or MSFT hacking tools. The most common tools are as follows: Nmap, Nessus, Nikto, Kismet, NetStumbler, Acunetics, NetSparker, and Intruder. Thank you, students.